Looking for best crypto exchange in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. Today, I'll be showing you my top picks and why they stand out in under 5 minutes. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So, are you actually looking for the best crypto exchange in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. And today, I'm going to be showing you the first pick of this video, which is ByDFI.com. As you can see here, there is different tables for different coins or spots that you could be actually trading on the website. They have here a small section. For the new upcoming trading coins, for example, Trump USDT. And of course, here they have the panel for all of the big losers in the last 24 hours. If you are interested to buying crypto, then you should be checking this page right here. But we're gonna be checking really quick the markets before we actually hop in the second option. Here you will be finding all of the options for the market that you could be actually trading with all of the details needed. Let's say, for example, Jupiter/USDT. Let's see more details about this specific. There is also like options for trading, derivative, coin am, leverage tokens, demo trading, and of course copy trading. So if you are also a beginner, you could just go on the website, copy trades from other pro people that are actually making money. And of course there is also bots, events, rewards, and all of those interesting features. So make sure to check it out, and let's hop in the second option. So the second option is actually MEXC.com. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And what I like about MEXC.com is actually the design, flawless design. Everything is actually perfect. You could be actually also choosing the different languages here, and of course the currencies from euro to dollar to pound, to all of the other currencies. To sign up and get, of course, exclusive features, you need to be pressing this button right here, sign up. And I think they are giving away promotional credits. So when you're hopping in, you'll be getting actually credits on top of your deposit, and you'll be claiming $20 extra. So you just need for the sign in, for the email and password, no payments needed or any type of credit card confirmation. So make sure you check it out and hop in the site and test out the different features. The last one, what I'm gonna be talking about, is actually BingX. It is a great option for copy trading and seamless trading tools. A smart pick for passive investors. So passive investors are basically people that are not actually trading every single day. They are just doing this, and they are not actually like doing it like on a daily basis. They just hop in the site, they just go and for example copy trading, or let's say here for example. So I'm a beginner person, I don't know how to trade, so I just go on BingX.com and I just go on the copy trading page, and I just look here for the comprehensive rankings. So for in the trending traders, for example, here you can actually see the cumulative PNL, the copiers, so how many people they did actually copy, and of course the win ratio. For example, we have here some options that have a great cumulative PNL, and of course high win ratios. So I guess these options are the ones to go for. Of course, the more unknown the person is, or the more risky he is, you need to make sure to choose a good risk based on your capital. Here there is like different risk levels from risk 1, 2, 3 up to, I don't know, I think 10. So make sure to choose the right risk level, make sure to choose the right person, and you can find all of the informations on BingX.com. Of course, all of the links from BingX, MEXC.com, and of course ByDFI.com are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about ByDFI.com, MEXC.com, and of course BingX. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Bye bye.